Okay, so this is the Ruger Blackhawk Elite. It's $100 at Walmart right now. Synthetic stock. Let's go with the built-in end flare here, which is like the artificial looking silencer to make it look a little bit cooler. This gun does not come with any type of iron sights. It only has scope that it comes with. It's a 4x32. This gun is rated to shoot at 1200 feet per second using alloy pellets. Right now I'm simply using the basic Daisy El Cheapo pellets. So with these it gets right around 1,000. I've got some good pellets down there at the house, but I'm not going to waste them on this. Put the Ruger logo right here. It's got a cheek rest gum hole grip. It's got the auto safety. When it's out, it's safe. Pushed in, it's fire. There's a scope cover here. I just now sighted this thing in, and scope mount here. It's decent. It's not that great. It's a break barrel, so it's not a single. Like it's just a single shot, but you get a lot of power with that shot. Let me show you what I'm shooting at over here to sight it in. We've got, I've got it set up on the wrestling ring. So we've got these two cans here, and as you can see, a couple of just random shots from over yonder. And then this is where I was starting it in. It's on that NBA logo there at the bottom. Headshot on that one after I got it in, and as well as that one after I got it sighted in. So I mean, as you can see, the gun itself is pretty accurate. We're gonna try to pop the heads off of right here. I'm gonna just find a way to set my phone up right here so you get a good view of the two cans. Okay. It's a pretty good view right there, I have to say. Let me see if we can get that hit. Okay, so this one here is just me holding the rifle, not stabilizing it, and you can see there it was pretty close, it was a neck shot. This one here I stabilized it, and as you can see it went clean through the head, completely decapitating him. What we're going to try to do is we're going to try to shoot these tabs off of the cans. So we're going to pull them up that way. We're going to hit it from the back side. I'm going to make the phone a little bit further away this time, and we're going to see how this goes. Okay, so once again, the first shot there was you know, holding it free. Did not get it. I guess I was just a little bit too shaky on that one. And then the second one, yet again, was stabilized. And as you can see right there, I got it right there, split it right in the center of it. So yeah, that's the Ruger Blackhawk Extreme. I'm sorry, Ruger Blackhawk Elite, I mean. And actually a very accurate gun. I know a lot of you are going to say you're going to be shooting it from a lot farther away, actual squirrel and whatnot, which yes you will. However, since I was aiming at items that was that small on the can, I should stay pretty accurate for a decent distance.